6 continents, one dream we chase, hand in hand, the world our place.
From oceans wide to mountain skies, every road love in our eyes.
Different cultures, stories untold, spices of life, hearts of gold.
Every taste, every street,
Every moment makes us complete. From Christ the Redeemer, touching the sky, Copacabana, waves roll by.
Iguazu roars like nature's cry. Love travels far, love never lies.
Our travel and tasty days, love leads us all the way. Through flavors, faces, nights and days, the world feels closer when we say our travel and Ipoh morning breeze, through the hills we wander free. Hidden behind the limestone walls, a secret place where silence calls. Through Gunung Rapat's rocky side, a quiet treasure waits inside.
We walk where miners once had gone, through a tunnel dark and long. Cool air whispers stories old of quarry days and stones of gold.
Step by step the light appears,
Glowing free beyond our fear.
and suddenly the world stands still. A silver lake
Beneath the hill,
what a sight before our eyes. Cliffs touching clouds and open skies.
nature paints without a sound.
Magic floating all around. Mirror, mirror on the lake, every ripple softly waits. Limestone mountains standing tall, perfect reflections of them all. Tasik Cermin, calm and bright.
You hold the sky in gentle light.
In your waters, dreams awake.
Dancing on the mirrored lake.
Still as glass, the surface lies.
Holding clouds and blue-eyed sky.
Upside down yet crystal clear.
A double world is resting here.
Green trees leaning to the side.
Kissing shadows in their pride.
One soft breeze and circles flow.
Like secrets only waters know.
Cameras click but hearts just stare.
At nature's art beyond compare.
No need for words, no need to speak. This peaceful place makes strong souls meet. Oh, cliffs embracing sky so high.
Eagles drifting slowly by.
Every glance of every mare.
In sunlight and in gentle shade.
Mirror, mirror on the lake, every ripple softly waits. Limestone mountain standing tall, perfect reflection a boat and drift away
across the calm where shadows play.
Wooden paddles touch the stream,
Moving slowly through a dream.
closer to the rocky face.
Time itself begins to pave.
Echoes bouncing from the stone, yet we feel we're all alone.
Floating where the sky needs land.
Peace is something we can't command,
But here it comes so naturally.
a quiet kind of therapy. Mirror, mirror, shining blue, calling skies in every hue. From the tunnel's dark embrace to this bright and open space. Oh, Tasik Cermin, wild and free,
A hidden gem of Parak's beauty.
in your water's hearts awake forever.
In this mirrored
Through the tunnel to the light,
Mirror Lake and Golden
oh, Tasik Cermin, calm and bright.
You hold the sky in gentle light.
In your water streams away,
Dancing on the mirrored lake.
let's take a boat and drift away across the calm where shadows play. Wooden paddles touch the stream, moving slowly through a dream. Closer to the rocky face, time itself begins to taste. Echoes bouncing from the stone, yet we feel we're all alone.
Floating where the sky meets land. Peace is something we can't command.
But here it comes so naturally, a quiet kind of therapy. Mirror, mirror, shining blue, holding skies in every hue. From the tunnel's dark embrace to this bright and open space.
So Tasik Cermin, wild and free.
A hidden gem of Perak's beauty,
In your water's hearts away.
forever in this mirror.